What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome guys, welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How no do? How no stay? You know, alright? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. Guys, today me in the kitchen. You know cook already? You know eat no food yet? Remember fi get some food and help the have not. Yeah man, help the have not people who don't have no food to eat. Guys, are your birthday today? Have a nice day. Happy birthday to you. If you drink, don't drive. And if you drink, take a taxi. Take a picture of the taxi license plate, taxi driver, and the taxi sent to somebody. Wellness check, guys. Remember if you do a wellness check, because mental health is not a joke, it's a serious situation. So check it out. And guys, please me I beg you know, watch the video, like the video, share the video, and thumbs up the video, guys. Because you know you will get 2,000 watch but no thumbs up, or you get 2,000 watch views and 100 thumbs up. Thumbs up the video, guys. Please me I beg you know. Thumbs it up, man. Yes. Anyway, guys, we go cook and talk today. Yeah, man, we go cook. We go show you how in a channel coming up, and this style is what coming up in that channel. So this is a little outline of what that channel going to be. So guys, today I'm going to show you how I prepare my kind of steamed fish. Yeah man, my style, the way how I put my steamed fish together, the way what I want me put on it, how me cook it, and so on. So here we go. So guys, me have 2 red snapper. Yeah man, 2 red snapper already. Clean them and do all of them things. So we go talk about cooking, and we go talk about Alicia Kim. Alicia Kim dey on a small vacation in the same place where she live, New Jersey. Yeah man. So guys, first, when you have your snapper, fish, any fish at all, it is good to use lime to clean the inside and the outside. So that means, you know, that fishy smell will go away. I already do that, so it doesn't make sense I do it again. I'm just want to show you that the lime, you can also use vinegar to do this. So guys, when I get clean them and all that, so what I normally do when 1, 2, 3, turn it over on the other side and do the same thing. I opposite side, do the same thing. So I go do both of them like that. And the reason for that, to cut it, is just to put the seasoning inside of them cuts, right? So there we go, guys. 2 of them ready. So as you look over here, I have some scallion, onion, 2 scotch bonnet pepper, some okra, some fish seasoning, pimento berry, butter, salt, and black pepper. So what I'm about to do with the salt and the black pepper, this is fish seasoning. I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit, because you know that fish seasoning already having salt, so I don't want it to be too salty. So the black pepper, you know, is there. So now I'm going to just, you know, use my hand and just do like this. So guys, while we're doing this, making that seasoning, have any of you watch the and see Alicia Kim on a little tour, family wise, you know, on a little vacation? You know guys, I believe that as a young lady, she, you know, I think people should give her a break. As a young lady, let she live. Let's live our life. We all have breakup. Yeah, we all have breakup. If you out there and you say you have never been in a relationship and the relationship go sour, the man go left, you go right, then I honestly believe you're lying. Yeah, I have to say that. I honestly believe you would be lying if you said that you have never been in a relationship that got broke up. One go left, one go right. We all have that kind of situation. But to be honest with you, it is very nice to see her on a small vacation, you know, on a small vacation down in where same place where she live, at a nice hotel, you know, nice settings, you know, out eating food, having a wonderful time with her whosoever. You know, guys, with her whosoever, because we don't call name around here. You know, we just leave that to whosoever need to know all them things. You know, because at the end of the day, she have her life to live, and I believe there's no. To be honest with you guys, it shouldn't have been where it reached, but it reached there, and I believe that at some point in time, people should sit down and look at it and says, you know, they've been in a relationship, the man divorced her, and you know, that's just part of life that we all go through it, you know. And guys, while I'm here talking about Alicia Kim, I also want to just outline and talk about a little bit more, but we're going to pause with talking about Alicia Kim, and we're going to move on over to what we're cooking, the fish. So guys, as you see, these, I have the okras here, so I just cut the heads off of it. Then I'm going to get us a few slices of onion, because of how I like to do my steamed fish. So I'm going to get a couple off here. So I go roll it like that, slice them like that, because I need to. So once I do that, then my pimento comes intact. Now guys, when I have the pimento, I normally like to put a few in the stomach of the fish with what I have in there. One of the reasons why I like to put the scallions inside, I want it to steam coming out. So what is inside of it will be steam coming out. What is outside will be steaming going in. So that section now is what I'm going to show you, how that part of it works. So I'm going to move the fish over to this side. Then we're going to over here and get my foil paper. So guys, this is my foil paper. So one fish for each foil paper. Now here is a little trick. Not really a trick, but I like to put these things on the outside. Then I get my butter. And this part is very, very important. When I say very important, I mean very important. You put that butter down on here. Come on. Still sticking. Then you do this. Then you put the onions down. You go put the onion down on then you put the fish on top of. You put the fish on top of the butter with a few of the pimento berry down here. So you're going to get back here the rest of seasoning you have, sprinkle it over. And this, guys, this version of how I'm doing it is just a simple way of doing it. Guys, this Scotch bonnet pepper, I just going to use the fork and bore 3 holes in there, and I'm going to put it right into the fish. Remember, when you're ready to eat the fish, please remember that the pepper is in the fish. Don't just go heat that fish just like that, because you will get yourself in trouble. Remember that the fish have the pepper inside of it. So guys, so this is my style. This is my style. Then after I do that, I get some more butter, and I'm not using the right thing, so I'm flashing. I'm just doing it the old school style. I'm flashing out the butter, and the reason for the butter is the butter will just give it that extra nice flavor, that extra juice in there. So guys, I'm not going to cut the okra. I'm not going to cut them because I want them to eat in that fashion. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to line them. Just line them like that. Because when they cook, I just want to have them so nice and flavorful. Yes guys, so I'm going to push it up a little bit more. So as you see, this is just a simple set out, you know, just a simple set out. Let me get, I think I should get a few more scallions, and yes, I think that's what I should do. Just put a few more scallions on top, so that means I can have that scallion flavor coming in from all angles. So yes guys, so see, this is another way. You don't have to cut up the scallion, you just do that and mince it out. So now here is your steamed fish. And guys, remember, you can put just about anything that you want on your steamed fish. You don't have to just put what I put on mine. You can put anything you can. But this is just the outline, the good outline, one of the best outline that you can really use. So now I'm going to wrap that fish up. And guys, wrap it really good. And always remember to this section, fold it really well. And the reason why you go fold it really well is because it's going to steam. So when it's steam, you don't want that juice that's in there to be running out and running all over the stove. You know, then it will smoke a lot. So you wrap it. Just like that, guys. Just like that. So this is steamed fish number 1. Then I'm going to put the other one together so that you can see again how I do it. So while we do this, guys, we just go back to our chatting about Alicia Kim, you know. And guys, I really believe that this whole thing with Alicia Kim was blown out of proportion just because of what? Something that shouldn't have happened, but because of a man ego, you know, because of a man ego and looking relationship, he blow it out of proportion, you know, and make it reach where it reach. when it shouldn't have reached this far. Yes, guys, it really and truly shouldn't reach this far, you know. It gone too far till it reach where people is threatening people, you know, and all those sort of things. But we as adults should do better. You know, we as adults should do a lot better. You know, we live our life. We've been in relationship. We see what relationship is all about. But yet still we would come out and try to take, I may excuse people, the seasoning is, yeah. And guys, this seasoning, I'm going to be showing you how to make these kind of seasoning. Because to be honest with you, these seasoning are simple. These seasoning are really easy to make. Your own seasoning is not hard to make. It's very, very, very easy to make. I'll be able to show you how to make your own seasoning. Yeah, I'll be showing you how to make your own seasoning. So, yes guys, so I don't really see the reason of why Alicia Kim have to be going through all these kind of things, you know, just because she was in a relationship with somebody who didn't really want that relationship, you know. But, you know, as I say in life is each of us know where we go wrong in our lives, and sometimes we go wrong in our lives, and when we realize that we go wrong in our life, we try to make it up, you know. So that's what I think is happening. So guys, now that I finish doing making the fish, I normally turn the stove on at 350, 375 and put them in a pan. It's good to put them in a pan, and the reason why it's good to put them in a pan is because you don't want, let's say one of the side did not seal good enough, then you're able to contain it in a pan. So right now I have a foil pan that I put it in, and you know, we just go get that done together. Guys, you know what? I think I didn't, for one of them I didn't put enough butter on one, but I think it will be alright. Yeah, it will be alright. So that's how it is, guys, to do this kind of steamed fish. So now I'm going to put this steamed fish in the oven, you know. So yeah, I go put it in the oven, and then we go get ready and show you exactly what is happening. Here, we just go put it in. Yes guys, so that's how I do my steamed fish. Yeah, that's how I do my steamed fish. You know, it's really nice. It's really something that you guys should try at home. It's simple, it's easy, and to be honest, you don't have to put any seasoning on it. You just can just put some butter, put any little thing that you want. You can do veg. You can put a lot of veg in there. You can steam your fish with any kind of veg in it, and just, that's a nice meal. That's a good meal to have, and you know, to feel comfortable about doing. So guys, just hold on a little bit. We're going to do something else, and then we're going to I go clean down first, and then we can do the next thing that we go do. So now I go clean down the place, because you know it's fish. Yeah, it's fish. So you know we go do it a little different. We have to clean up before we do anything else on this counter. So guys, while I'm doing that, is if you notice I didn't put any okra in one of them. Yeah, I didn't put any okra in one of them because I don't know. One of them fish I go bring it to give to somebody. I don't know if they want the okra in there. So that's why I didn't put the okra into all two of them. Yes guys, so guys, another thing I want to talk to you about while we in the kitchen, I cook up some finger licking. Guys, I want to just say a little something to you all. Guys, right now I'm going to mix up some juice. Yes, I'm going to mix up some juice, guys. Some juice. Yes, guys, some juice we go mix. Right now, I'm going to mix up some deliciousness. Yes, guys, some deliciousness. I go mix up right now as we speak. So, guys, you see, I'm a blender this. So I'm going over here for 2 buns. So guys, 1 Guinness, 1 Malta. So right now guys, I'm about to make some juice that I just love to drink. You know, I don't like to drink sodas anymore. I'm kind of tired of drinking sodas. You know, sodas does not make our body feels good at all. You know, so what I'm doing is I'm just trying to live a little better, healthier life. You know, healthy living. You know, give you that better feelings of your body. You know, your body don't feel tired or those things. Yes, guys. So you know, I'm trying not to drink a lot of sodas anymore. So right now I have Guinness Stout. So this is what I put in my little mix. You know, and then I put a Malta. Yes, guys. So Malta, and guys, most of all, I have some okra. Yes, guys. Remember to wash the okras off. You don't just put them in that pot, in that mix, without washing them off. So guys, when I do that, I normally like to have my little nutmeg. So just a little bit. You know, a little less than a teaspoon, just like a quarter. And then I get a little tip. It's a little tip of cinnamon. You know, just give it that little flavor in it. Guys, I'm doing this and just showing you how I operate. Right now, I have some oatmeal. So I love to add some oatmeal into my drink. Guys, that's my drink and how I do it. Then guys, I go move over here and I'm going to get the right banana. It looks strange to you already, don't? Yes, it looks. But I have to add some potassium to my juice, my drink, because at my age, at this time, I have to make sure I take care of the bones, the body, and make sure my body is in one good piece. So guys, now I'm going to add some milk, which is, you know, is our... Guys, I do not know where I put this knife. I moved this knife and now I found it. Yes guys, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just making a little drinks that we have all different sort of name for it in Jamaica. So, you know, guys, don't follow me and do this. Get a opener to do it. It is not safe to use. So guys, that's what I'm putting in there. Not a lot of milk. But then guys, there's one other little thing that you should put in there too. A little tip of salt. So that means it don't hurt your belly. So now guys, I'm going to cover. Yeah, cover. And guys, this mixer, not mixer, this blender is very good, very strong. If you are, let me see, if you're making smoothie, this is the blender to use. This is the blender to use. If you're making any kind of smoothie, any kind of, this is one of the best blender you can use. So guys, that's how this blender makes. This blender is very good. Blendtec is one of the best blender to make any form of smoothie. Telling you, anyone. Yes guys, so Blendtec is one of the best. So let me... So guys, right there is, let me get some ice, guys. Let me get some ice, and let me get some ice, and then I go test it and see what taste I get out of it. Guys, I'll go be honest with you. Yeah, man. Yes, man. The Guinness with the banana, with the Malta. This is called the power drink. Guys, me not lie. Me not lie. This is what you call him, the power drink, the power juice. Delicious, flavorful, not too sweet. This is nice. So just imagine this with some steamed fish. Just imagine this with some steamed fish, you know? So delicious, guys. Very, very, very delicious. So guys, remember, a new channel will be coming where we'll be doing food and other thing. We'll be doing food and talk. We'll be cooking, chatting in the kitchen, cooking, chatting outside. And guys, I really want to just stop for a little minute and say, abuse is not love. Abuse is not like. Abuse is not respect. Abuse is not a good thing for no relationship. Abusing a man or a woman is not love. Abuse, control, manipulation is not what a woman wanted in her life. There is a lot of women out there. A lot of women out there who is going through all different sort of situation. Today, as we talk, they're going through situation. I have heard of ladies that just come in this country from Jamaica, get married, and all of a sudden, the husband kick them out of the house. It's a lucky thing they have family friends in this country that will allow them to come and live with them. If you do not want that individual, if you don't want the woman, or if you don't want the man, leave them alone. Leave them alone. Ladies, be careful of these men who is telling you how much they love you, how much they want you. Ladies, if these men are not a man that you used to be in a relationship with for a long time, sometimes it's good to leave them alone. Because sometimes that's all they need. They need your body. So they'll do anything to get your body. Meaning they will tell you they go bring you to the US just to get your body. Then when they get your body, they kick you out. The most important thing to them is getting you, because they've been trying to get you for many, many years. And they see the opportunity to get you, and then they get you. But now you're gone because they kick you out of the house. Be careful of these men. Ladies, I'm telling you, I'm warning you, be careful. And ladies, I don't know if you hear the thing about vex money. When I was growing up, woman always say, me have to have me vex money in my pocket. I asked, what is vex money? They said, when you have a man or when you go out with a man, if things don't go well, you have your vex money so you can pack up your things and leave him and go on about your business. You say, oh, okay. So it is good to have your vex money. So in other words is, while you're working, while you're with the man, while you're around the man, have a little bank account that you can save your money in. Is learn from Alicia Kim. Hey, learn from Ali. Let me get some of my juice to talk about this. What a something if Alicia Kim never did put away some money. If Alicia Kim never did put away some money, she would maybe be back in Jamaica right now or live under the bridge. But Alicia Kim save a little money. People are complaining about she save money while not tell the man. Is a lucky thing Alicia Kim save some vex money. Because if she never did save that vex money, God know where she would have there. Let me tell her, dog nyam her supper. Me nearly say God nyam her supper, but dog would have nyam her supper. So it is good to have some vex money. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, that was this video today. I don't know if I go wait until the fish done, but that was how I cook the fish, and that's how I steam fish. And then on the other hand, I show you how I make my punch, my strong punch. You know, you got to take care of the body. And guys, stop drink the soda and stop drink the alcohol. Get a blender. Hold on. Blend tech. Get a blend tech. Or get a blender. Put some banana, guineas, some oats, and some things in it, and make yourself a drink. Stop drink the soda, because the soda is not good for your manhood. Yeah. It not good for your manhood. Yeah, it not good for it. It will weaken it. It not go help your body. So drink up some stout and some malta and some, you know, what may I say? And enjoy yourself. Say enjoy yourself. Guys, until the next video, I'm out. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. And just take care of yourself. And to all of the people out there where live in the abuse, remember, you're not alone. You are not alone. We are here to talk to you. We are here to help you to find your way. Remember that. I'm out. Bye-bye.